Hello, in front of me I've got Ford S-Max. In this video I'll show you where are the VIN number and what does the VIN number stands for. The vehicle identification number is a unique code assigned to every vehicle. It serves to provide access to vehicle history and equipment. First VIN number you can locate in your car is on the sticker behind passengers' doors. Second one is located under passenger's seat. And the last one should be located on the front windshield. Let me just close the hood. And here is the last one. Now let's take a look at the VIN number itself. The first three characters typically denote the car manufacturer. Characters from the 4th to the 9th or 10th position describe the model and type of vehicle. 10th character represents the vehicle production year. Subsequent characters may indicate the car's place of manufacture. Remaining characters form unique serial number for identification. In some cases the VIN includes details about the engine and body, but these are not all informations we can get from the VIN number. We can also learn about vehicle trim level, engine type and size, body style, safety features, production plant specific features, check digit number, market and destination, series informations. All of those informations you can get from manufacturer or dealer, online services, vehicle history or government agencies. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.